All right, guys, we're back out here at this sump cave.
Getting naked.
Getting naked. We've dried it out with a pump, and we're all about to head in it. We'll have everybody's links in the description below. Check us on the inside.
Really tight.
Real action shots. Yep.
Are you taking the air?
Nah, we're going back in.
Just leaving it.
You
wearing sunscreen?
Yeah, bring it up.
I know, it's at the house.
No, I said, are you wearing sunscreen?
Yeah, I am.
Oh, okay. I was about to get real worried about you because you got real pale.
Oh god, he's already freaking out. We just got here.
That obvious?
It's not super obvious, but I was just like, you look really pale.
Yeah, it's like mineral sunscreen.
What happened to you? I let some little space become. You'll have butts in your face. Yeah. We both know they ain't going fast in this one now. No more floating effortlessly through it.
No, it's trying to come up with the only problem was it got wet.
It sounds bad in there.
No.
So what?
That reminds me.
Dude, you're gonna be extra loud.
I'll get all that on the way in.
And, in the way and everything. Yes. We'll be fine. I won't take forever. Don't worry. No, it's not.
Should be able to wear your helmet this time. Oh, this is so much different. Yeah. Oh man.
Formations.
Oh yeah. Right. Oh no way, he's standing up. Yeah. What? Oh. Helmet check. Let's see if I can stand up. Oh yeah, you can stand up. Oh yeah? I didn't actually see this whole insert. Yeah, we need to bring the pump to right here. Alright, right here. Oh wow. Oh yeah. All this was underwater the last time, guys. So much fun. Whoa, it's actually getting a little hot. Yeah, we're not lasting. That's where the incident happened. Okay. Here comes the low guard. We're swimming through the day. Dude, it's going. This is all new passage for us.
room back here. Dude, this is awesome now. What's in the dive line? I was really hoping this was going to open up back here. Yeah, I want to see that room. Man, it is sharp stuff in here. There's the room. How many paths were we on? Yeah, it's up under. We're way past it. Woo! Good room? Ooh!
We're in the next room.
Whoa, it's up. There's some long stalactites up there. There's a room. Oh, it's like a shelf. Whoa.
Yeah, watch out right here.
Gotta climb up. I hear a lot of holy crapping.
Big old giant open air dome, full of mud underneath it. Oh wow.
There he goes.
Oh my God. Take us to the That's scary to do. Alright, a little bit of a hold up here.
Hold on.
We got a little bit of near-nipper right here.
What happened?
We got a little bit of near-nipper.
Alright. Where at? I ain't seen no air dipper yet.
Oh, you're about to.
If you're doing it, then that's not it.
No, it's right here. Oh, sink in, man. Dude, holy crap!
Is this a big room?
Dude, these formations, it's crystal clear. Stalactites and everything. There's so many.
Oh god. Ooh. This is nothing but. Oh my gosh, guys. This is amazing. Let me get into the sinkhole. Oh my gosh.
Flashing me, brother.
Yeah, hold on, watch this. This is really, 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 really soupy. Oh god. Oh god. So let's go check out what all the oohs and ahs are about. Oh god.
Yeah, this chandelier, dude. I know for so long, so long.
These are some of the craziest formations I've ever seen.
Untouched formations, guys.
Look at that, dude.
Beautiful.
Water running.
Yeah, water.
That's how it feels.
Beautiful.
Oh, it's still going through.
There's water. It's currently filling up right now.
We gotta push that.
Dude,
Let's
no
push
can.
that.
Oh, sketch.
Yeah, it's filling up that part of the cave with that river. There's a river down there. Okay.
That really cool. Oh my god.
I'm going to look.
Gnarly.
You're going to push it?
I'm going to look.
No, I think it goes further. You think? They put a question mark, like, there's another sump. We haven't got past 2 sumps yet.
Somebody's been down this.
That had to been us.
No, that's old.
Hey, did someone go down here?
No.
No.
These
Those
are all
super old footprints?
They just
Stay in the mud like that.
Crazy. That's nuts. Yeah, so you can see running water. There's an actual river flowing.
Oh, there's a river flowing?
Yeah, you can see it running.
When they came back up.
Oh!
Dude, you're never gonna come back up this slope. Yeah, that's gotta be filling up what we just went through.
very slow, Phil. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Let's go explore.
Dude, it's actively filling the cave up.
Let's go explore Submerged Passage while we're here. Whoa.
That's crazy, dude. This has to be the next song.
Yeah, right here in front of me is.
Yeah.
Can you get back up this thing?
Yeah, we'll make it back up.
It's so muddy, man. Oh. Holy crap, dude, right there.
Dude, this is a running river.
Well, no, it's spring fed. You see the blue water right here.
Oh, yeah?
These calcite floats. These rafts. That's what's under right there.
Oh, is your water pretty much going back here?
Not really hardcore, but definitely here.
Wow, yeah.
Ryan, I don't understand how you got there.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
Oh, wow.
Oh, wow.
Holy crap.
Get up there.
Oh, wow.
Oh, wow.
Hopefully, these guys make it over here to see what we're seeing. Oh, wow. We got a potential dig out that way, but this is like it. Oh, wow.
Whoa!
Oh, wow.
Whoa!
Yeah, be careful in here.
Oh my god.
Formation.
We have to get Matt back here.
Wow.
Someone tell Matt to come back
Hey
here.
Matt, you gotta come back here, dude.
This is
Watch your head.
completely virgin
Yeah.
territory.
You gotta come back here.
This is straight virgin cave,
This is
man.
straight virgin. Oh my
Beautiful
goodness.
virgin
Watch your head.
Wow. Yeah. Holy,
Everybody kind of like ease around so we can get everybody in here.
holy crap.
And I'm gonna sit right here.
Ah, I cannot believe this.
Tell him we'll get him back up. Don't worry about
Get
it.
you back up, don't worry.
Going where no human being has ever gone.
Right.
Oh yeah.
Does it continue?
Yeah, it looks like a good dig out project one day.
Dude, oh my god.
Dude, these are insane.
Holy crap. Dude, the bacon.
I know, the bacon.
The bacon.
Dude, when he comes back here, I'm gonna have it lit up already.
Holy
Oh dude, I can't get my helmet off, bro.
That's fine. Hey, don't touch your lens. How does mine look?
I can't. Oh, alright. I done had to clean one big
Yeah.
slob of
Dude,
goo off of it.
This is so pretty.
all these are old too.
Hey, someone let me know when he's coming. I'm gonna start digging this out. When he comes, I'm gonna light up that formation.
Okay.
Okay.
Holy crap. Dude, these straws are so long.
Yo!
Yo!
Yeah. Dude, it's right here. Hey, stay up high, get a good
Man.
yeah.
So the water gets up here, don't it?
Not much.
Not much. It's
Yeah.
still pretty muddy though.
Oh yeah, it definitely gets up to this whole room's underwater.
Wait.
No, not really.
No,
Yeah, the
not
stones are on the
here.
bridge.
It looks like it sits here a lot,
Yeah.
but it don't really a lot.
It stops right where I'm at.
Don't like it's been up here for about 2 years.
Yeah.
You gotta get a high left foot.
It's kind of getting dry. It's starting to dry. I wouldn't say it's dry by no means.
Right.
It is so hot right here.
It's crazy back here.
You made the right call with no wetsuit.
Okay, good. Glad to hear it.
Yeah.
You ain't wearing a wetsuit?
I got my bottoms on, but not my top.
Yeah, you probably made the right call. Hey, that rock above you is completely dislodged already.
Is it?
Oh wow, yeah, it is.
With yourself.
Catch.
Alright, hey, Edward.
Hey, the formation.
Here, I got it. You ready? Yeah, watch your head in here.
Uh-oh.
Wow.
Look at this.
Yeah.
Just laying on the ground.
Yeah.
Alright, Mikey, you gotta go high left.
That's worth it.
Yeah.
Just
No
so worth
kidding.
it. So
This
worth
is
it.
definitely the coolest cave on the property.
Absolutely it is.
By far.
And like
So far, for sure.
Dig in the mud, you get a grip, or grab onto my hand.
Hey, Jacob.
Yo.
How's it look?
It's beautiful, dude.
Just like that?
It's like a sunrise.
Okay. Yeah, the big bacon.
recording I slept in there.
Right. Dude.
Whoa!
Yeah.
Right.
Hey, that's
got
what,
a
that's what we
cool
call
one,
bacon right there.
Crazy.
That's bacon.
Man, that's nuts.
Yeah.
got
My
super
GoPro
cool
still
good-
facing a good
Oh,
way?
no, it's you
No,
can
it's
down
nice
a
and
little
high.
bit.
Is it muddy?
No,
The lens
forward.
isn't.
Okay, cool.
There you
I'd
go.
face it
A
even.
little bit more forward,
More
yeah.
down?
Just a
Anybody
little
not
bit.
have muddy fingers?
Yeah.
Right there, perfect.
Oh, no
Can you
way.
exit that?
Can I what?
Exit that?
Like, stop
On the
recording?
screen. On the screen.
Oh. My fingers are so muddy.
Yeah.
Just leave it, it's fine.
Okay.
Does it go on or is it done?
This is the end of this room without digging it out over
We've
here.
got a whole passageway there.
hold on. I think I actually can squeeze through this.
Don't do it.
Let him look.
Don't do it.
You do it, I do it.
But dude,
Okay.
even if it is, this is the end of the cave because of that other passageway that was uncovered.
Yeah, there was one on the left.
Yeah. Split. I want to go down that.
Yeah.
This is so wild. Look how big these
Healing
are.
heights and everything.
Hey, so far this turned into a good cave.
This is one of the coolest caves I've been in.
Let's see what we got.
So cool.
Just because of how untouched it is.
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah,
we-
crazy.
You don't see this often.
We would
Wow.
never have this kind of formation
This
where we
guy's
live.
nuts.
Top notch formation.
I'm feeling a little skeptical because this rock is
No
cracked.
one other than
Yeah.
us has ever made it. I bet.
Nothing is broken.
Not worth it.
These soda straws like 4
Oh
or
my
5
gosh,
foot long.
that was sketchy.
Tell me you found another room.
Hold on.
So muddy.
Right.
Let's check out this bacon.
Oh, yeah. Oh, he got one with his head.
I've been hit. You broke one. I've been hit. Stand down.
You got one too.
They're falling.
Oh yeah.
These things are falling.
Dude,
Look at this.
yeah, they'll stab you.
Cool. Yo.
He stabbed me.
Is it really slapping you?
Oh my God.
Hey, it's going, but it's getting like, I don't think I can do it. It's just on the verge though. We wouldn't have to dig it out much.
That whole story.
What's the room look
Dude,
like?
we should get the sump pump running and then go dig it out.
Long, perfectly tubular.
I think since it took so long just to get to where it's at, we're probably good for a while.
Yeah.
I think we're gonna have to come back and dig this out.
Yeah.
Y'all are crazy.
Yeah, I think so too.
I think this is the only way. We have to get to the center of the earth.
Well, that's what I'm saying. If like we could run the sump pump, we could stay in here for like 8, 12, 14 hours if it keeps on going.
Yeah, dude.
You guys don't have any other hobbies like video games or something?
Sometimes.
Yeah.
This one weighs higher, you know, more on the scale.
We might be the first people to ever step foot in this room.
We are.
Right.
I think we are too. There's no footprints anywhere.
Yeah.
So what's up with them describing that last room as a 9-foot room? That thing was huge.
Yeah, that was way bigger than 9 by 6.
And they didn't say anything about formations.
That's what I'm saying too.
Maybe
I
they
don't
didn't
think
go. Maybe
I don't
they
think
they
they
weren't
did.
as brave as y'all.
Dude, I think it was a
It
different
wasn't
room.
brave as it might have been underwater.
Yeah, they probably didn't pump it. They just scuba dived and said, we're good.
Yeah.
Didn't
I'm getting
even.
hot.
Me
Yeah,
too.
trust me.
I didn't zip my wetsuit.
Is somebody gonna push the first split?
Yeah.
Mikey said he wanted to.
I will.
We are absolutely pushing everything.
Yeah.
All right, let's push it
Yeah.
all.
This actually looks really promising.
Mikey and I are absolutely
I think it's-
leaving this cave.
I think it's the way to go.
Yeah. It continues human size for at least 20 feet and then goes out of view. But like all I gotta do is like get a little mud layer off and I can squeeze.
That might be where the gold's at.
It is where the gold is at.
There's $6 million worth of gold over there.
All right, Mikey, you ready to bail?
Okay.
Y'all done
You'll
went
stay.
further.
Huh?
Said y'all done went further.
Yeah, I went further than I was
Yeah.
going to go. This is pretty sweet.
We turned into a sauna now.
Yeah, it's getting steamy.
I can see everything now, the air.
Yeah, it's getting thick in here.
Yeah, let's go look in this next sump.
That's true. We get to stay on video that we're still going deeper while we're going out, and they'll think we're really brave.
Right.
I can't believe we went up this thing.
Watch your head.
Covered in mud.
Oh god. That is so deep, guys.
Slide down this chute to the center of the earth. All right.
God, look how deep that
Oh,
goes.
I lost my shoe.
Let me get out of your way.
Come on, shoe. Got it. We good.
Oh god.
Oh, it's much cooler down here.
Yeah.
Go for it, Mikey. Oh, it hit me in the eye with mud. Pretty far.
Ooh.
That's what I did too. I got pretty stuck. Can you take that? Don't go left. You'll fall down in a hole.
It's just boiling water up right there.
Yeah, you can see this water just flowing down here. Yeah. Look at this. That water's filling up. That water's for sure filling up the part we came from. Whoa, you look awesome. Looks like a movie.
Here, get a higher foot.
It's so steamy around you. That's some special effects right there. You alright? Oh yeah, don't go that way. Don't go that way. Yeah, your light's covered with mud. Oh yeah, we'll be able to get out of this.
Slow and steady wins the race down there. Yeah. All right. Back into this beautiful room. Oh god.
Jeez. This is crazy. It's so slippery. Oh yeah.
Yeah, this is the room where you set your little skeleton over there.
Yeah, let me take that from you.
Teamwork makes dream work, guys.
That rock is how you get up.
Teamwork makes dream work, guys.
Good job.
You got it.
Here you go. Here you go. Oh, my life might be doing. Are you guys coming? Are you guys coming? Who said that?
Take off.
Alright. This is the last time we're going to see this room for a long time.
At least you got to see it.
Yeah. Very awesome. So cool. Careful on your slide.
Yeah.
Don't look sketch.
Whee!
Okay, that's the way. Yep. You did it right. Dude, crazy, there were still footprints from the last time someone was in here years ago.
Oh wow. Hey, stop right there for a minute. There's a whole nother room right here.
Oh, that's the hard one. Oh wait, no, this is the way we went, right?
Yeah.
Oh, what is that room?
Whole nother room I just found.
Quit finding rooms.
I can't not quit finding rooms, man.
This room is, what, 30 by 30? This room is so big.
Oh god.
Careful, that's sharp. Good catch.
Alright, I'm going up.
You can do it. Left is easier to slide down.
That's the only lead, bro.
There's so much room over here.
Looks like smaller, or is it big?
It's pretty big.
Really? Digging. Oh, there's mud. How did you do that? Crazy. Yeah, this is nuts. Does it drop pretty
How's it looking, Ryan?
Oh, that's doable.
Do it.
It's fixing to be done.
Sweet. It's gonna get done.
As soon as I get enough mud out of the way. I mean, I can see a huge room over here. Watch out. All right.
Going in? What's in there?
Oh, God. Oh, wow.
He's the first. Ryan's first one in there. Jacob, we found another room.
It's just a room full of formations again.
Oh,
Just the room.
Just another room full of formations. Oh! Stab the emails. Or elbows. Oh wow, guys. Look at those formations. Look at all them crazy formations.
Oh, they're still in it.
Hey, that wasn't an easy climb in, whoever's coming in behind me.
sorry, man. Feel a little nervous.
Left by. Oh.
Beautiful formations in here.
I don't want to be dirty, guys. Left by.
I wish I could scratch my nose.
After holding what looks to be like my left. Oh!
Yeah, there wasn't nothing about that easy. I use my elbows. Look, stab your elbows.
I'm gonna let it get into where I can.
Yeah, they're looking into it.
This whole mud thing is like really soft, guys.
I know, I don't know how to sound so hard.
You ain't even seen the formations, have you?
No.
Yeah, too busy trying not to fall down the hole.
Dude, what the heck?
Yeah, the one directly
Dude,
above your
it's
head
covered in fossils, yeah.
is really amazing.
Dude.
Right? Come on in here.
Some beautiful fossils. In the formation. There's fossils in the formations. No way. In a hand? Yes, please. Oh, thanks, man. Dude, look at these. Whoa!
Yeah.
What? Hold on. Let me close up these. That's insane, man. What's over there?
Nothing.
Oh, okay. Literally
It's just a room full of
Fossils.
formations, man.
inside the formation. Dude, look at this one. Yeah.
This will stay squiggly and fat the whole way.
Dude, look what it's coming off of. It's coming off of a straw up there.
Yeah.
It is. That's gonna break one day. Overweight. That's why it pays to be fit.
There's a lot of formations in this cave.
That one column right there. Column mode.
Full column mode.
This is an old formation.
I think this is a lizard people meeting room.
It is. You can tell.
Dude, this looks so trippy just staring straight up at it.
Really
The Council of Elders.
So fuzzy.
Yeah.
Why are we bringing a bag?
You're bringing a backpack. It's got my phone in it. I wish I was cold.
Is Matt and them already left?
No, he's chilling.
Oh wow. Is he gonna make it up here?
I don't know if he really wants to. But I'm gonna get out of here, so we got more room.
Is it not cool in there?
Oh, it's cool. No, it's cool.
Oh, it's really cool
It's
in
just not
here.
very big.
Yeah, I was gonna say we're
Here, you want me to boost you up?
Grab a hand.
There's literally nothing.
you can do
Dude,
this.
my ass is too big.
Dream
Y'all are some skinny guys.
dream work is teamwork.
All right, I'm not going in.
No, teamwork is dream work, my bad.
I don't think so.
It works either way.
Yeah.
You don't think I guess let me see my boot.
I mean, I can make it fit.
Dig it out.
Very
Yeah,
tilt
dig
fit.
it. I don't know about Mark, you know.
I already have.
I noticed.
Dude, that thing is like the ones that are in Mexico with giant buzzballs coming off them. Those are super, super rare.
Whoa. That thing looks like a cowtail.
Yeah. You don't see that every day.
Dude, I've never seen information that look like that.
Look at that.
No,
Watch out for my hand.
hey, can you throw his back?
My name.
Like mine?
Look.
What?
Make sure the swaggle comes down.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
I'll pass it to y'all.
They're just sitting here.
Looks like a sauna right there.
Dude, it's so hot up here.
I know.
Oh god, I'm coming back down.
I think I'm just gonna lay in that water down there.
I'm about to see if I can't find another spot to go.
I'll grab it.
Come on down.
I thought it was just gonna slide.
So sticky.
It's so muddy.
There he goes.
Muddier than petty drums?
Oh shit.
If I wanted it to fall.
The same.
Yeah.
This is a little muddier, guys.
I don't know what y'all are talking about.
I think it's a different kind of mud.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is definitely some mud.
For sure.
I'm gonna let all of y'all go first.
This was, the sump pump was the best idea, I think.
I know, right? Good idea.
This is crazy.
I was ready to give up on it.
I knew that there were these formations back here. I could sense it.
Formation radar going on.
Yeah. Am I going? Who's going?
I guess so. Not me. I'm going last.
What am I going? Dude, so if we go this way in the water, is that gonna lead us around?
I think so. That's my theory. I haven't really pushed it, but.
That's kind of my theory too.
Oh
The river goes underneath. Oh, you going next?
I don't know, man.
Get the full slide.
I thought it was sitting up there. God. Look at that. Just caked my hand.
no, dude.
Trying to catch myself.
We should make a little mud sculpture.
Is I gotta get out of here, to be honest with you. I can't scratch anything.
Yeah, so I think it does just wrap around.
Alright, now how many motor islands?
I don't know.
Well look.
No, do I?
No.
Okay. Somehow.
Yeah.
All right, I'm going in, guys. I almost feel like I should just go ahead and take my helmet off.
Nah, you'll make it with the helmet.
Yeah, I know, but it was easier without it.
Yeah.
All right. Well, this wraps back around the way we've already been.
That's not even on the map or nothing.
That's what I'm saying. Like it can go straight. Absolutely.
Hey, there is absolutely a left that way.
Yeah?
Yeah.
We got
There
any
it
to
is.
do it?
I mean, honestly, no, but it's mud.
That's what I won't think that is so freaking rare.
All right, guys. We are in the water again. I finally can feel my fingers for the first time. And we're going. I'm so hot. Ow. Nah, dude.
Yeah, here, let's go.
I was so hot back there, this is just now starting to cool me back off. Oh, this is underwater, guys. You can see.
Dude, could you imagine being a diver and one of these rocks cut your lines?
The ground underneath the water is absolutely
Fuck, Edward. This is action adventure twin number 1 or 2. Which one are you?
Number 1.
Obviously. He's the guy who's going further at every cave. He's not scared. No, I'm not either. Obviously, I'm not scared. But I just let him have the glory going in there.
Wait, we should have sent you.
Hold on. Which way is it to get out? That way? That way? Or that way?
You got lost.
We're lost!
educated guess. That way.
It's probably that really tight.
Oh, that really tight, sharp one that we don't remember going through.
Who did we send in there?
That's Edward.
That's
Was
Edward?
this the place we got to last time?
Yep.
Dang, this cave goes by quick. Well,
You
I
don't-
comes back to the same place as
You don't look like you're moving very well up there.
I'm my face the ceiling, chest face the floor. Whoa, dude, I am in awe about those rooms back there.
Yeah, that was pretty awesome.
Yeah, this is.
I'm glad we could get you into those rooms.
So cool. So cool.
I knew we would.
Yeah.
Hey, back there.
Hey, dude.
This is so deep in mud right here.
Yeah.
Like I feel like I'm just sitting in
All right,
mud.
we got everybody, don't we?
Think so?
This is what
All
I
right,
feel
see you,
like.
Edward. We're gonna go get lunch.
Is he going?
He's already
In
gone.
there.
Yo! Well, what was it doing?
It's still going.
Should I follow?
I don't know if I follow quite yet.
Okay.
He still ain't found a
Dude,
turnaround.
the calcite raft right there.
Is that where they're getting pulled from?
Probably.
Probably.
I saw some back in the crazy room too.
Finally.
Yeah, this feels good.
Yeah, I was definitely getting
Oh!
That's what I was doing.
I did not mean for it to go that deep though.
You can turn it off, Mikey. It's not going. Okay, cool.
My feet were literally just kind of making me float. I can't believe we're doing this right now.
Here's your present. You need this.
Thank you so much. You know what? I've got some probably.
Go lay that there for you.
Why are my shoes so float?
You think
What?
flash floods?
Oh, they didn't. Okay.
Slow
Okay.
go. Slow go. You hear that?
Yeah.
Find a good turnaround spot. No, but I was saying you need to find you a good turnaround spot.
Yikes! That sucks.
Oh.
Well, hurry up and start backing it out.
Dude, we're cracking White Claws out here.
We all got us a 40. Where you at?
We got a 40.
It's a boy.
Hey, monster.
Got a little dot of mud like right there.
Here.
Got you.
I don't think that matters when there's this.
Oh my god.
That's rough.
It's so bad.
Thanks for being the test drive.
Yeah, no problem. I actually came back to where all those rafts that we were seeing float out of here.
Yeah,
it formed
Yeah, hit me right in the ear.
Yeah, get him. Get him.
Look, clean him off over here.
You can hear now. Right?
Alright, we bailing?
We're bailing.
Do it.
Let's
We're
get
getting
out of
shoveled.
this cave.
Yeah, film it. Okay.
We're getting a shovel, and I'm also going back to that passage.
Yeah.
I'm going
Yeah,
deep.
I want to go down that too.
You know how much you just brought out of it?
A lot of mud.
your land's got. Yeah. One thing's for sure, I'm not bringing a wetsuit next time. If we gotta go back there and dig in that hot room, dude,
That room's so
we
hot.
cannot be wearing wetsuits.
Every cave over here has been so hot.
I know.
I think we need to let the cave air out too. We just put a lot of people in it.
Yeah.
Did you see how thick that air was getting back there? Yeah. Right. Oh God.
Yeah, they're all waiting for it.
Alice is just crawling. I'm good, man. Hey, that's how I jam my fingers.
Dude, I sliced my hand yesterday
Oh.
Yeah.
There's a bunch of sharp stuff right here.
Well, I stay on my feet, try to.
Yep, I'm staying on my feet.
Yeah.
I got my knee pads on.
The floor is so awkward and we can't see it.
Yeah, they have my knee pads, so I'm
You're-
just raw dogging.
Your wetsuit's ruined.
Oh, I know.
Yeah.
I can order another.
Oh, hey, we're at the pump.
Yeah.
Nice.
Oh God. We made it back to the pump.
Oh, God, sorry.
Oh. Guys, definitely check out everybody else's channel so you can see everybody else's perspective. And we'll catch you in the next cave.